This week our letter is letter J, and J makes the sound j, j, j. When we write capital J, we jump down and then curl up and put a hat on top. And then lowercase j jumps way down and then curls up and then add a jelly bean at the top. So you guys can pick an option for capital J and lowercase j. Take a picture of your child doing the homework and message it to me through Dojo, and then they'll get a code in their chart. So our first option is to write capital J or lowercase j on windows with a dry erase marker, and it easily erases right off. The next option is painting capital J's or lowercase j's, and you can make a lot of j's on one page, do one big capital J, one big lowercase j, whatever works best. Hide and seek j, and so just write some capital J's and lowercase j's on pieces of paper and hide them around your house. And take turns hiding them, take turns finding them. You can also, when they bring one over, you can ask them what sound J makes. And then last option is always the handwriting page.